my channel. My name is Amal, and in this video we're going to be hatching ocean eggs. I'm going to be hatching about 10 ocean eggs and I'm really excited. So we're just going to go take a look at the ocean eggs, buy 10 of them and hatch. I really hope I get a dolphin or a shark or like a narwhal because I really love those. They're like one of my favorite pets. So yeah, now let's start. Let's go in. Let's see what happens. Adopt Me did not flood the map. Oh, okay, Adopt Me did flood the nursery. Okay, that's nice, I like it. Let's go. It feels so weird. I bought like 4 fossil eggs and it feels so weird that fossil eggs are out of game now. I'm never going to hatch these, I'm only going to use these for trade. Okay, the ocean egg is here, let's buy one. Yes, please. Oh, wow. Wait, I wanna see. Wow, the picture looks so cool. It's very sensitive. Guys, if you can see the little piece of the starfish is moving. So nice, I love it. And let's see the pets. Right now is not the right way to see because I barely have any pets. Okay guys, so now it's time for hatching. So guys, I bought 8 of these ocean eggs and I'm kind of out of money right now, but that's okay. Okay guys, so this might be the task it would hatch. You guys can see it's just a little bit and it's half a cube, please. Oh my god, it's hatching. What did I get? I got a dolphin. Wow, that's so cute. I love it so much. Oh wow guys, this is so cute. I need to dress this up. I don't know why I just like these. I like them. It's so cute. Now it's time to hatch the guys. So this might be the task. My second egg will hatch. Let's see what happens. I'm pretty sure it will hatch because just a little bit left. And now I've been hatching eggs for a few days now, and I've seen that it takes about 4 tasks. Like I have the fossil eggs, the royal eggs, and okay, it's hatching. What did I get? Please be a shark or not? Oh, we got an ultra-rare clownfish. Okay, that's nice. Kind of looks like from the movie Finding Nemo. Okay, the clownfish is nice. I love it. Guys, my favorite pet is the narwhal. I really hope I get it. And guys, now it's time for the third egg. Okay guys, time for the third egg to hatch. Finally, let's see. This is the sleep task, so it will be quicker than the other community ones, like the orange ones. I'm not sure. Let's see what happens. Please be a shark or a narwhal. I really want one of those. Like the neon one looks so cute. What did I get? Did I get a narwhal? I got another dolphin. Okay, I guess. No, dolphin is nice. I really want to like a neon dolphin as well. I feel like no one talks about the dolphin and it is uncommon. I don't know why. It should have been a legendary, but that's okay. Okay guys, so this is the last task. The 4th egg will hatch. So far I got 2 dolphins and a clownfish. Please be a narwhal, please. And guys, I think I really the narwhal is my favorite pet. Okay, what did I get? What is it? Oh, we got a seahorse. That's cool. That's so thin. I wanna see. Okay, I like it. It's very cute. The seahorse is a rare. Yeah, it's a rare. Yeah, I'm really happy I got a seahorse. And guys, now it's time to hatch the 5th egg. And also I got enough money, like I took care of my pets and stuff. So I had more money to buy another egg. So right now I have 9. So let's hatch the 4th egg. Okay guys, so it is time for my 5th egg to hatch. That's what I got. I really want to get a good pet. Even a dolphin would do. I want to make a neon, so that's why. There's my friend, she's just like, oh my god. Let's see what happens. What did I get? Oh, I got a seahorse. Okay, I have a seahorse. Oh, my friend just like, oops. Lol. I mean, seahorse is nice too, right? Okay, now it's time for the 5th egg, and I'll hatch it. Okay guys, so this is time for the 6th egg to hatch. I almost lost count. I'm like 4 or 5, but this is the 6th one. please do something nice. Happiness. Please do. Like it. Another seahorse. Okay, I'm like I have 3, so if I get 1 more I can make a new one here. That's fine. Okay. Let's try for the 7th egg. Okay guys, now it's time for the 7th egg. Let's see what it is. Please be a good size. Please not a seahorse. I don't want anything. I mean, it's cute and everything, but I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so okay, I have to like okay, good. Oh, okay. I got another dolphin. I have 3 of them, so I can almost have them on. I just need 1 more. This is so cool to have a new dolphin. That would be amazing. Okay, guys, now let's go down. Okay, so guys, one of my friends has a novel, and I want to trade my seahorse for it, and she is willing to do the trade, so the seahorse is my friend. It's rare. I like novels better, so yeah, and I also have 3 of them, so I might actually get this trade. She didn't do. Let's see what happens. It's not saying anything. It's nothing bad. A tiny bit more to be add. That. I'm just joking, but I guess this just can be a tiny bit more, so I'm out to start a cat. So, this is going to be good. We are actually to get another dog. We are so happy, guys. Hello, my name is also creepy. I want to make a new one now. Let's see. Please confirm. What just happened? Okay. I'm gonna say yes. Okay guys, so this is going to be a last task for 8th egg. I'm hoping that I can get it done, but I'm pretty sure I am going to get a 10,000 because like 665, and if I have somewhere I can see that percent. Okay, so first half with 3. I'm really hoping. Also, the previous clip I showed you guys that I got a normal. I'm super happy. I want to make a video of that, and I really hope I can do that. I'll be happy with anything. Just please be a shot for it. I said we want to let you know. Please be one. I also got a baby word of a night. It's like this. Okay, it's almost about that. So let's see. Please be something good. Oh, I got 2 more. Okay, that's a common. Okay, that's 2 cute. It's so shiny. If I do this, it's kind of like silk. Not silk, it's super shiny though. In the morning, I can see. Okay, it's still cute, but I haven't gotten a common, so I got it. Now it's time for the 9th egg. Okay guys, last task of the second last egg. I managed to get 1 more, and this is the 9th one. I'm really happy that I could get them. Second, what did I get? Oh, we got a dolphin. I'm so happy. I can make a new one now. I did not get a legendary, but I guess we still have 1 more life. You never know. I'm so happy that I can make a new one. Time for the last and final egg. Guys, I really hope this last egg is going to be legendary, because this time in the ocean egg, the chance of getting a legendary is 5% more than ever any egg or most of that. Like the first leg or the eggs that are used. So please be a legendary. Please be shark, please be octopus, please be something I like. Please be a legendary. And please be not a legendary. Oh my god, it's touching his heart. Not a legendary. Oh, we got a narwhal. Okay, I'm happy about that. Okay, that's nice. I'm still looking for a shark. And after this, but a narwhal is pretty nice. I can almost make a narwhal. Okay guys, so I guess this is the video. If you enjoyed, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you guys next time.